What are cookies in the affiliate program? Go to Site. On the left hand side, go to Affiliate Program. Inside here, you'll see within the settings, we have cookie expiry date. Now, what is a cookie? A cookie is the time that the affiliate link is active for on someone's browser or their phone browsers. So for instance, if someone has come through an affiliate link in which the affiliate gets paid for, this cookie will determine how long that affiliate cookie stays active for. So if they come to your site through the affiliate link and you have it set on 30, after 30 days, if they go back to the site, it will have expired and that affiliate link will not work. Now generally what I like to do is put this on 365 so it lasts a year. All you need to do then is click update. Now this will last a year, meaning your affiliate will get paid if they use that link and they come back. Now why is putting a large number in there good for an affiliate? Well, an affiliate might well do a video and have their affiliate link inside of the description or on their social media channel, and they would not want that expiry to be less and it run out. So having a large or long expiry date for the cookie is beneficial. Now the adverse could apply if you're running an affiliate for a certain amount of time. For instance, if you were running a sort of competition or you were doing a demo webinar yourself and the affiliate was sending people to you. In this case, you may want this cookie expiry day to be less. Zenler gives you the ability to set the cookie expiry days within your affiliate program.